Good medical morning. Today we're going to talk about hemangiomas. And stick around because I'll tell you more about this photo in a moment. A hemangioma may be present at birth, but more often appears during the first several months of life.
Victoria has a hemangioma on her head. So it's this red thing right over here. When Victoria was very little, I'd say maybe days old. Actually, when she was first born, it actually almost looked like a bruise, and that's what we actually thought it was.
It starts as a flat red mark anywhere on the body, most often on the face, scalp, chest, or back. Usually a child has only one mark. Some children may have more than one, particularly if they're part of a multiple birth. During your child's first year, the red mark grows rapidly into a spongy, rubbery-looking bump that sticks out from the skin. The hemangioma then enters a rest phase, and eventually it begins to slowly disappear.
So you guys can kind of see it here. So that's what it looks like, but like I said, it is shrinking down. Like we noticed that it's shrinking down, so we're extremely happy about that.
Many hemangiomas disappear by age 5, and most are gone by age 10. The skin may be slightly discolored or raised after the hemangioma goes away. Your child's doctor will monitor the hemangioma during routine checkups. Contact your child's doctor if the hemangioma bleeds, forms a sore, or looks infected. Seek medical care if the condition interferes with your child's vision, breathing, hearing, or elimination. Now back to the original image. This child is completely healthy and the marks will slowly fade in due time. So click like for this beautiful child. We asked, and here's what you had to say about rest more.
The cool thing is I wake up refreshed, don't feel groggy.
I slept really well and I have no residual sleepy, drowsy feeling.
Now I am wide awake at work because I sleep well at night. Thanks, Rest More.
That's right, rest more. More and more people are sending in their testimonials. Better, deeper sleep, all natural and healthy, more energy during the day. Let's hear more.
I've been getting the best sleep ever.
I'm finding myself sleeping all through the night, waking up fresh and rested in the mornings.
I'm bright and alert. It has changed my life for the better.
I keep hearing from people who've been trying the product, same thing. It just puts them to sleep.
If you haven't tried Rest More yet, it's time to order yours from Amazon. Time to boost your metabolism and kick your energy level into high gear. There you go. When you just need more rest, get Rest More. There's an Amazon link in the description below.